back to my channel. Today we are going to be setting up my winter garden here. Setting the tarp up on. We are getting cold here at night, down into the 40s, and I have some tropical plants I want to protect. I have some papaya starts and some young bananas I want to put in here just so they don't get frost and kill them. Also, I'm going to start a winter garden, so I'm going to do some beets, carrots. I want to do some cabbage, a lot of lettuce. Our tortoise eats a ton of lettuce. So can't wait to get this little thing started. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm almost done setting up the greenhouse, and all I had left to do was set up this door. I was getting so frustrated I couldn't get it on there centered. So I ended up giving up and going and getting Court to help me get it centered and finally put up. Good morning. We are just on our way to Lowe's to get some redwood for our raised garden beds. Got Winston in tow here. He's so excited. And yes, we're gonna go get some redwood. I heard redwood's the best to use for your garden beds because it lasts longer, it's rot resistant and pest resistant. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So I just did some cuts on my wood and laid down my weed mat. I'm gonna go start assembling the garden beds. We went to the store and I ended up getting Douglas fir. Redwood was just too much for me for garden beds. I know people say they last long, and they do, but out here in the sun and the heat, it doesn't matter what kind of wood you use, they're just gonna get destroyed. So went with Douglas fir, cheaper. This bed's not permanent. I switch it all the time, so I could use this wood elsewhere as well. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, so the beds are done. There it is. You know, got weed mat down on it. I have a garden bed over back behind me here that the chickens are scratching up. It's my old beds. I'm gonna use some of that soil to put on the bottom of here. It's got some gravel in it, and will help with some drainage. And then run to Home Depot and grab a couple more bags of soil. All right, so just got back from Home Depot, went and got a bunch of soil. It's organic. I'm going to be growing veggies and stuff, so I try to keep it as organic as possible. I'm going to fill these beds with it. Tomorrow I'm going to put in some starts and some seeds, and we'll see how it goes from there. The news just said we're going to hit 90s again, which I can't believe it's fall and we're in the 90s. But anyway, there's worser things. All right, I'm out of breath. I just put the 10 bags of soil I bought in here. I obviously need way more. Yeah, so I'll get that tomorrow, and my starts, and put them in the bed. So wish me luck. All right, we are back. Just went and got a ton of soil from Home Depot, ready to get these beds done. I do love gardening so much that it does make me want to soil my pants. Just kidding. Dirty joke. Boom, another dirt joke. Got you guys. Also, while we're at it, I will talk about this right here. Everyone keeps asking if that's a hickey. It's not a hickey, it's my birthmark. I've had it forever. Kind of a weird spot and weird color, but I don't know. I don't think I've ever had a hickey, so I don't know what they look like. All right. I still need more soil. I can't believe it. I'm so overloading soil. I did get my lettuce in, which looks so cute. I love it. Some people say it's too crowded. Hey, I say lettuce likes to snuggle, so it is what it is. But here they are. I got some eggplants down there at the end. Have some more stuff over here I'm going to be planting tomorrow. But I am calling it a day. All right, guys, day 3 and I am done. Beds are full. So I got lettuce, a couple different varieties, some lemongrass, tons of cabbage. I'm gonna make a ton of sauerkraut, so you all are getting sauerkraut from me, that's for sure. I need some guinea pigs. I have a little bed I'm gonna do here with some rosemary, thyme, cilantro, things like that. But yeah, so it is done. And can't wait for the stuff to start growing. I will keep you updated. Thanks. All right, guys. Once again, thanks for watching our channel and following along as we work on our little hobby farm here. Please hit that like, subscribe button, and feel free to share.